It's a construction of pentagon in the isometric. For that, first we have to draw a pentagon of 30 mm side with an angle of 108 inside. Normally you have to draw, and it will be extended on either side till it make a box. And then we should give the number for that: 1, 2, 3, 4. After giving the number for all the pentagonal corner, we have to give a naming A, B, C, D and E. After this, we have to measure this length. That box length, that is nothing but this length we have to measure. After measuring this length, after drawing this, we have to make a box. After making box, we have to measure this length. We will get 49, and then this length also we have to measure. This is 47. Now that will be transferred into a grid sheet. For that, one side is 49, that is around 50. One side is 47. So we'll take here. We'll mark a point. Then from 1, and this point I will mark it as 1. This point I will mark it as 1. From 1, right side is 47. 47 is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 47 is 45 and 47. Close to the 45, 46, 47. That is nothing but first box is 1, second is 2, 3, 4, 45, 47. 47 will be taken by assuming close to the 45. Next it is 49, close to the 50. From the same point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, close to the 50. This is the point. Now this is second point, this is fourth point. To get the third point, we have to draw the line. Now to get another point, third point, just we'll join these points. In this side on the same line. We'll make it dark nearly. Then the same point, if you transfer this line, you will get here very close, 47. Draw a parallel line of 47 here, and then parallel to this, that is nothing but here we will get from the fourth point. So here we will get fourth point. Now we have to transfer this A point, B point, C point, D point, E point to this. Now 47 we got, 49 we got, other side also 47 and 49 we got. Now from 1 to A distance is 29. 10, 20, 29 is very close to 30. That is A point. A point is in between 1 and 2. 1 and 2, A should be there. And in between 2 to 3, there is a B point, 24.5. That is nothing but, it is a 49. 24.5 is nothing but, divided by 49 by 2 is nothing but 24.5. So exactly center of this. Here we have taken a 49 length. So once again I will draw this line. So 49, so 24.5 is nothing but 10, 20, 24.5 is nothing but this is 25. So very close to that will take B point. And then C point is same 29 distance. So from here it is 29, 20, very close to the 30. So C point we got. Then D and E, 9 mm distance from either side. So 9 is nothing but from here exactly we will get at this point, that is D point. And here we will get close to the 10, E point. Now we got all the points. We'll join this line with dark. then from this point to this. So this is the pentagon at the bottom face we have drawn now. Now to make a prism, we have to transfer the height. First we have to calculate the height from the given height. So we'll consider a height of 60 millimeter height. So first we have to take the center of the square. Square center will be obtained by joining these 2 points. These 2 points, 2 to 4. It will join here. So we got center. From this center we have to take a height of 60 millimeter. So 60 mm how to take? So from here to here it is 10. From here to here it is 20. This is 10, 20, 30 like that. So one box height is 10. So 60 you have to take. So because of it is at the different place, so we'll take a height of 60 from this distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I have to take. From here till this. After taking that height, by keeping it center, we'll cut here. Because it is not exactly at the corner, because of that I have taken height 60. Then now I'll join this point. Center to that, it should be 90 degree. It should be straight line. So here we'll get a height of 60. We'll call it as O. So this and this will not intersect because it is having a 47, it is having 49. If these both are equal, then this point and fourth point will coincide. Now it is not coinciding. Now we'll make it a pyramid or a prism. So first we'll make it prism, pyramid. Pyramid will be obtained by joining all the corners to the O. So this is the pyramid. All these ABCD corner will be joined for that. Now which will be made dark? So we'll explain this. This should be dark because this is outside. Then this should be dark. This is also outside. This should be dark. Then this should be dark. Then this spot. Then this. These lines should be dark, which are invisible. This line, that is CB, OC, which is invisible. So and DC is also invisible. So these should be thin. Now we'll construct the same for a prism. So construct prism. Once again we'll take the same distances. So we'll mark here. We'll mark here. So 47. So 10. So this is 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. 47 is nothing but closely 45. This is second point. Here it is 49. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 49 closely 50. The same will transfer. First we'll draw this line. First you have to draw with a thin line. Then here also you have to join 1 to 2. Next, parallel to this line, we'll transfer here. and then here. So now it is 1, 2, 3 here we got, and 4th. Now from here it is 9 and 9. So from here it is 9 is close to 10. We'll get E point. From 4 to 9 means on this we'll get D point, and 29, 10, 20, 30. So 29 close to this will get 29. And then here also 29, close to here will get 29. Then this is at the center, 49 divided by 2, 24.5. So 10, 20, so 25 is here, close to 25 will take this point. This is A, B, C. All the points we got. Now we'll join these points. Now to draw the prism, from all the points we have to take 90 degree. So we'll take the straight line from all the points. From all the points we have to take the 90 degree. After taking 90 degree, the height you can take 50 millimeter. So 50 mm height will be considered from the divider. Already I told how to take the height. So from this point 50. So this I will mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 means here. From this to the distance you have to take 50. By taking 50 mm height from all the corner, you have drawn the lines. From all the corner you have drawn the lines. Cut all the lines with the 50 millimeter height. Don't use any scale to take the height. The distance will be taken from the grid sheet only, that is isometric sheet. We got all the points. We just join it with a scale. Make all the top view dark. Then which should be made dark? I will be making dark which are visible. Which are visible I have made dark. So these lines are thin, that is DC, BC, AB are thin, and this A is dark, and then this is dark. Other than all the points should be thin. This is how we have to construct a prism and a pyramid by using a grid isometric sheet.